Welcome back to my channel. I am Susie by name. So going by my YouTube handle name, I am welcome to Susie Global Concept YouTube channel. How are you doing? I hope you are doing great. Today I'm going to be showing you profitable vegetable that you can plant and harvest it for a lifetime. Okay, so this is ugu farm, ugu, that is pumpkin. Okay, pumpkin. You can plant it and you'll be harvesting it for a lifetime. For a lifetime. So, like the leaf, you can sell the leaf. Yes, like here in my place where I am, wow, ugu is very expensive, very costly, very costly. I'm making those that have ugu farm and making millions out of it. Forget that it's a petty business, but it's very lucrative. It's very lucrative. I've done my research. Yes, I've done my research. Yes, and I've planted some at my backyard. So if you don't have access to farm, if you don't have farmland that you can plant the ugu, you can as well plant it at your backyard. Like here, they planted it inside sack bag. Okay, so if you don't have much space at your backyard, even if it's just one bag you need to plant inside, you can plant or plastic bucket. Okay, but any container. Okay, a bigger container. Yes, you can make hole into the bucket so that the water can easily go to just be like sack. And if you don't have sack, you can also use tire like this. You can see the other one is plastic bucket that they use. So you need to just the seed. As you are selling the leaf, you are also selling the seed. You are also selling the seed. The seed is a very good, very expensive too. It's very expensive. Like the one I planted at the backyard, I bought it at 200 naira. One is 100 naira. So you can see the seed. As you are selling the ugu leaf, you are also selling the seed as well. So you see you are making money from both sides. So once the fruit is matured, you need to do just harvest it and open it and bring out the seed and sell. Okay. So another vegetable is which is eggplant. It's very nutritional and healthy and medicinal as well. Yes, like most especially in Nigeria here, especially in the northern part of Nigeria, we don't do without this kind of egg. And we have different species. You can see them. This is a white one, we have green and white, we have purple color. Yes. As you are selling the fruit, the eggplant, you are also selling the leaf. Yes, you can see this is the purple one. This purple one is very expensive, extremely expensive here in Nigeria. So the leaf, we also use the leaf for our dishes. Like we are making vegetable soup. We add it to our local dishes. And it's very healthy. It's medicinal as well. So another vegetable is moringa. This is moringa plant. Okay, this one I trimmed it a month ago and it has sprouted out again. So moringa leaf, both the leaf and the seed are very medicinal and healthy. Yes, very healthy, very healthy. Like for the seed, if you are always having a menstrual cramp, you can always eat the seed. Okay, you can eat the seed. It helps to relieve the pain and it detox the body. So that's one thing that and I always used to eat the seed. So this one I plugged it from the place where I went to. I saw it and I planted it at my backyard as well. Planted it at my backyard, it has started sprouting out. Okay. So this seed, I'm going to be blending the seed and be adding it to my dishes. So the seed serve as spice. Serve as spice. And of course, once you get the seed, you have to buy it. You have to buy it. Yes. So another vegetable is bitter leaf. Bitter leaf is very, very medicinal. It's medicinal, okay? They also use it in poultry. They also use it in poultry as treatment to birds. Okay, it's medicinal. In fact, it strengthens, it boosts the immune system of both the human and that of birds. Okay, in fact, most of my dishes, my soup that I prepare, I always use bitter leaf. I always use bitter leaf, and that is why I had to plant this one at my backyard. All I did was just the stick. As I bought the fresh one, they cut it for me, so I planted it at my backyard. Another vegetable is water leaf that I can harvest for a lifetime. This is water leaf. I've harvested mine for 3 times now, and it has been very, very helpful. It has been very, very helpful. That is why I want to have all. Yes, like I can't wait for my ugu, my pumpkin to start growing as well. So this is water leaf. So all these business are very, very lucrative. You can give it a try, okay? To be continued. See you in my next video.